Good morning, friends. This is Kip, and he is reinstalling Braylon and Marie, who are right here. Those are the mower names. These are their houses. And right now he's putting in the charging station for Marie, putting her back together. And then he'll do Braylon next. And then these two will mow this massive property with these extremely steep hills that drop off and go way down there. You can't really see the magnitude of these hills, but, well, you can tell right there. It is a massive drop off. Very unsafe to mow by yourself on a mower. So we have helped this customer significantly so that he can continue enjoying life and not roll down his hill. There we go. I'll be back.